Good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday and Merry Christmas. It's already Christmas week, so Merry Christmas. Today's a big day over at the daytraderchatroom.com, guys. We're going to be doing a lot of giveaways. So you want to make sure you jump on over there because we're going to be doing a lot of Christmas giveaways in the Discord today. Or at least we're going to start a lot of giveaways today. Today's Monday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We're going to be doing giveaways every day. So things like tablets and such. You know what? I'll show you one of the tablets right now. Oh, we got a few of these. Probably give away some this week, and some NFTs and a whole bunch of other stuff. So definitely excited and looking forward to doing that. Let's start getting some tweets out there. Let everybody know we're out here and live, getting ready to go over the watch list. Well, start formulating the watch list actually. How did everybody spend their weekend? Yo, the beast, all good chilling? Nice. I spent a good chunk yesterday just sitting in front of the TV, surfing like apps and local marketplaces trying to source GPUs. All right, Aravian gap down, guys. Tesla gap. Ooh, Tesla. That's an ugly gap down. SPY probably big gap down. Trying to recover some. Yeah, but that's a big gap down. That's way bigger than I wanted. That is way bigger than I wanted. Let me see. I mean, I guess it could still work out. Damn, it came all the way down here to the 100-day moving average area already. I made a nice little bounce so far in pre-market. That's kind of taking, last night, you know how I always tell you every Sunday night, even from bed, I grab my phone, I start looking through charts. And this is already a plan that in my mind I had already established. Also, when we sent out the weekly watch list, looking at this line right here, you see this line I drew out on the daily? Previous low right here on this candle. Friday's low. And this high area right here. And another low back here. Oh wait, forgot one. And another low right here. So this is a major support area. Oh guys, sorry. This is a major support area, and I was eyeing that area today for a bounce back into it. Like if we gap down underneath it, I was gonna look for a bounce into it to see if we can fade that bounce. But we're so much further under it, and we've already kind of made the move down here. We've already made the move down here to that 100-day moving average, which was going to be my target. So it's basically like the trade already happened. I hate when this happens. The whole plan is out the window right now. For now, can it kind of like maybe bring itself back? Yeah. So you know what we'll do is we'll leave the SPY We'll leave the SPY for last on the morning as far as looking at it and analyzing a little bit more. We'll leave it for last. Let me put out, I already put out a tweet. Let me put it on Facebook here that we're live this morning, guys. We'll start working on this list. All right, so we know we're gonna come back to the SPY, and it'll probably be my #1 watcher this morning. Let's check in real quick on Tesla. Let's knock some of these out before we hit the scans. Tesla desperately trying to hold on to his $900 zone. Let me see, what is this? Gap entry here should be like 909, 910, 910. So we're trying to hold that area. It's like everything gapped down so much that my downside trade plans that I had for today are kind of out the window. It kind of feels like they're out the window. Frustrating morning. I would have preferred Tesla open up closer to this 944 or even, yeah, Tesla's difficult. Tesla's difficult because even if it would have opened up underneath Friday's low, that was 909. That is the support zone. That is that support zone right there. A lot of weakness here today. All right, so we got a couple here that already kind of like, you know, made the move without us this morning. Yeah. On Aravian, gonna watch this previous low here of 95, 95.20 to see if that holds resistance again for further downside. So I'll start working with that one right out the gates here. So Aravian watching for 95.20 area to hold resistance for a move back down to 92 zone to area or lower. All right, so we got that one on there. CHRS, what's up, Jose? The beast, yeah, man. Finding needle in the haystack. No, it's daily. There's not a lot. There's no action here. Pre-market, no volume. Yeah, FD approvals generally don't have as much. You know, like that final approval doesn't have as much hype as like phase 2. All right. So SOPA hitting the scans here to this morning. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, you know what, guys? I gotta share something here real quick with you. Let me just bring up the news as well. A little multitasking. That's what I do all day long. Multitask. If you guys are all right, so they only do this special like twice a year as far as I remember. So if you guys are interested in trade ideas, scanners, 25% code. All right, they only do this like 2-3 times a year. Usually I think it's like Black Friday, Christmas, and New Year's, and I don't think they do it every year either. At least not the 25 here at the end. Here you go. You click there and it'll take you to the 25% off code. All right, just a heads up. All right, so SOPA 14 hours ago, announces addition to Russell Index. Oh, there you go, the beast. Awesome. Yep. So SOPA announces addition to Russell Index 2000. Watching for. This thing's gotten wrecked. It must have bag holders galore in it. That's gonna be a tough one to get, like to get a move on, I think, today, because I mean, you know, if you're in this thing, oh, why can I not? There we go. From anywhere in there, honestly, anywhere in here, you know, so you can get out of this thing at $5 when you're in it from 10 or 12. You're like, yeah, I'll take it, you know. 50% loss, but at least I'm out of this thing. So it could be a difficult one to get. It could be a really difficult one to get to trade to the long side. You know, maybe it'll fade a little bit of the gap. Who knows? I'll keep it on watch, but over 475. Watching for 475 to break and hold for support. No, to break and hold and become support. Could have room. Oh my God, how funny. Look at the high of the pre-market session so far, right there. Right where we drew this line, and I didn't even draw it based on that. I drew it based on this structure back there. Could have room to 625 zone. Dion, good morning. Morning. Thank you for joining. There's nothing for me to go run AMC here. There's nothing here. Like, not for day trades. You know, I'm doing a day trade watch list. There's no. I didn't put this on the weekly watch list either that we sent out last night to everybody's emails. There's nothing here. 30 is going to be strong resistance for now. There it is. Previous support, now resistance. Can it break over it? Yeah, but there's nothing there right now. At least nothing with some major action. There's some people who have been day trading, swing trading it, honestly, not really day trading it all that much. For swing trade wise, swing trade wise, you know, you'd want to see this 27 area hold, which so far it has been, but you know, if you get this 50-day to cross like this, and you get that action, that's going to be a death cross on AMC. And honestly, I'll look for puts to send it back down to 20. At that point, we probably break down under it. So yeah, that's what I'll be watching actually on AMC. So thanks for bringing it up. I'll definitely be watching for that death cross. Hopefully I can catch it if it happens. Or ORIC is another one here showing up. No. It is, but it doesn't have any pre-market action there. What's going on with this chart? Yeah, no. Okay, let's move on. The beast, you weren't wrong, man. It's like a needle in a haystack right now. You're not wrong. FSM. Let's check if this has any news real quick. Guys, those of you who are new here, here's the free Discord link. Also remember, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week, we will be doing prizes. We're going to be doing giveaways, tablets, right? Christmas giveaways this week, tablets, scanners. We're going to be doing NFTs. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff. Today's the first day of it all. So Fortuna receives San Jose mine environmental impact authorization. Very light volume in pre-market though. Very tough resistance here at 375. Dion, Lucid. I'll take a look at it for you right now. Silver Shrimp, LNA Embassy. Assignment understood. So FSM has some news here, but this is very light volume this morning, so I don't think it's something I'm going to put on my watch list. Let's take a look at Lucid. So Lucid, you want to know? I don't think Lucid has upside today. 50-day moving average right there could act as resistance. Yeah, I don't think this has upside today. It's gapping down. It probably won't have, unless the market recovers strong today. I don't think you'll have a lot of upside on Lucid today. Also 42, the mid 42s could be a strong resistance zone. Previous support there, here, resistance here, and resistance here. I think it has more likelihood to go lower than up right now. You're also forming a little bit of a bear flag. You're also forming a little bit of a bear flag formation there. LZN was actually on the weekly watch list. Not interested in that until it breaks over 340. LZN's on the weekly watch list, so you guys should have received an email with the weekly watch list already. If you do not get the weekly watch list and want to sign up for it, we sent that out last night. All you have to do is weekly and daily watch list. Free. Click here and scroll to the bottom right. Boom. Also, if you want to see how I build out my list, yesterday I put up a video here on the channel actually building the watch list step by step with you guys. Let me grab that real quick. And here you go. How I build a watch list. All right, let me hold on. Give me a second. Let me move my microphone a little bit so I can read chat better. All right. So IPOF. I remember you've been in this one for a while now. I have a bunch of plug 33 calls expiring this Friday, down 60%. Oof. I mean, I would imagine you have a trade plan on that. I'd imagine you had a trade plan on that. So if your stop was hit, you want to exit. I don't know what your trade plan was, but if your stop was hit, you're supposed to exit. If you didn't have a stop loss, then you got to start trading with a plan. That $30 area is going to be tough for this thing to break back above it. All right, so far we got SOPA Rivian on watch. You know, you guys in the Discord, we have an excellent swing trader, because I know most of these charts you're bringing up, and I don't mind going over them. I love charting, but in the Discord, we have an excellent swing trade moderator. His name is Umberto, and he posts a lot of swing trade ideas, a lot. Because I know most of these charts you guys are talking about is for swing trades you're probably in or eyeing. Facebook right now, I mean, this thing had a massive move off of 300, and now we're finding resistance right there. 50-day and the 200-day moving average. We're finding resistance right there. So I would not expect Facebook to break above that and start to hold for a while here, especially with how weak the market is. So if anything, I'll be looking for Facebook to pull back to 320. You know, to that 320 zone more or less. No, I'm not. The market is way too volatile right now for those type of swing trades, in my opinion. There's people who will do them, and if nothing goes against them news wise, they're gonna bank. I'm a good risk manager. I'm a better risk manager than a trader, which means I'm a pretty damn good trader because I'm such a good risk manager. I refuse to swing trade short term swing trades on any of this because look, today a spike can go lower. I'll trade puts on it. I'll make money like I did on Friday. On Friday we day traded puts in the Discord. I'll show you guys the alerts real quick here. We day traded puts in the Discord, over 40% gain on the best take profit. But if I entered a swing trade, like if I think in my mind, okay, further downside on the SPY tomorrow, further downside on the SPY into Thursday, I'm gonna swing trade some puts, and then tomorrow we wake up and there's some great news that came out of one of the pharmaceutical companies like Pfizer regarding the treatments for Omicron or something, and the market gaps up 5 points, and then your puts are crap. So the moral of the story is, in this type of environment, technicals matter, but the macro is going to matter more because that's what's going to make that's what's going to throw technicals out the window. Okay, and then you're opening yourself out to headline news, to headline risk, okay, to news risk in the overall market. And that's a danger. Just like if all of a sudden we start to turn the corner and we're looking good and we're breaking back out, and you're like, oh, I'm going to buy calls for continuation. The Santa Claus rally's back on. And all of a sudden you get a nasty number of Omicron cases come out and a couple deaths, and the market gaps down 4 points. And then your calls go to crap. So I will not be swing trading anything like that. The only open positions I have right now are in long-term investments and long-term portfolios. In crypto, in crypto and in the stock market. I do have open swing trades on Ethereum that I've had for I don't even know how long now, maybe a couple months. I have not closed those out yet. Here, I'll show you. Here is Friday's alerts. Just one trade for me. Long starter SPY put option 460 strike. Today's expiration, which is Friday's expiration, 219. Stop if SPY gets over 90 MA. Taking profits 249, 270, 289, 310, 326, and then flat 301. I'm sorry, correction, flat 308. So that was Friday's trade in the Discord. It was an awesome trade. Love it. It was a good way to end the week. So yeah, I won't be swinging anything like that at all. It's just too high risk. Headline risk is super real right now. Super real. As a matter of fact, the only reason the SPY is so much lower today is because over the weekend we got so much, nasty news of Omicron. That's it, That's the reason. Take a quick look here at some more news. Oh yeah, look right here, front and center. Dow futures fall 400 points on Omicron fears. Let me go take a quick look at my Ethereum swing trade real quick. I might end up booking profit on those a little bit sooner. Give me 1 second here. Oh, sorry guys. I thought my kid was choking on something. My wife's feeding her, and I'm hearing, it's crazy. The ear, what you can hear when you have kids. That's why I went like that because I was like, damn, I thought she was choking. I was gonna run over there. Give me 1 second, guys. Just trying to enter here on my account to take a look at my Ethereum swing trade, and then we're gonna look at some news here. Freaking weird. So Ethereum's at 3,700 and change. This app is acting all sorts of weird. All right, so Dow futures, U.S. stock futures dropped more than 1% on Monday, heading into holiday shortened week, filled with concerns about how quickly the Omicron variant is spreading around the world. Dow futures fell more than 400 points after the 30 stock average dropped nearly 1.5% on Friday and sank almost 1.7% for the week. The S&P 500 fell 1% on Friday and nearly 2% for the week. The Nasdaq dipped 0.07% on Friday and sank roughly 3% for the week. Despite the recent weakness, all three benchmarks were still way up for the year, with the Dow and the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq rising more than 15.5%, 23%, and 17.7% respectively in 2021 as of Friday's close. Okay. Let me see, what else? Theranos jump after the booster appears to protect against Omicron. Stock futures paired deeper. Stock futures paired deeper losses early Monday after Moderna said its third dose of the COVID vaccine appears to provide significant protection against Omicron. The booster dose of 50 micrograms, which has already been cleared for use, can boost neutralization antibody levels 37-fold higher than pre-boost levels. Preliminary data on a 100 microgram dose, the same as the first two shots, showed the approximately 83-fold increase. Without a booster, the company's vaccine has been found to be far less effective against Omicron. Moderna said it'll continue to develop the Omicron-specific booster. Shares jumped 5% in pre-market. They stand out on Monday's broader market slide. It's like every time there's going to be a new variant, they're going to want a new booster. I mean, it's never going to end then. It's never going to end. I don't see where the end comes with this. And then eventually the market has to be desensitized to this if cases are not as bad, and meaning that death isn't an issue and severe hospitalization is an issue, stuff like that, severe symptoms is an issue. If that begins to happen, then I think that over the next few weeks, you'll start to see the market get desensitized to it. And then it'll all be back to where, Fed and the rates and stuff like that. Guys, do me a quick solid. We got 23 people watching and we only got 16 likes in the stream. Help me out here. Throw some likes on the stream there. It's not about vanity or anything like that. It's simply put, it helps the streams out with the algorithm, with the YouTube algorithm. That's all. So do me a quick solid there and help me out. And help me out with that, please. Please, 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 please. It helps out tremendously, believe it or not. Wow, that was really fast, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Silver shrimp. Oh, man. That's funny. That is funny, dude. Give me 1 second here, guys. Looking to... get a calculator. I'm gonna close out that Ethereum swing trade for now. I can always re-enter it again. Booked a little bit of profit. Nothing out of this world at all, but better than red. Just don't like how crypto's been acting. Watch. Let me grab the charts real quick here. Yeah. Little silver shrimp. Let's take a look at some of these crypto charts. All right, so Bitcoin. Look at BTC. This is a nasty, nasty, nasty downtrend, continuous downtrend. It's just weakening and weakening. You're getting yourself a little bit of a bear flag formation here as well. If you really, whoops. If you really look at it, you're getting yourself a little bit of a bear flag formation here. So I'm not a fan right now for the short term. I'm crazy bullish crypto long term. I'm even looking to start mining again as soon as I finish my new computer build. But short term, wait, yeah, short term, I don't see it. Let me go to USD. Short term, I don't see I see potentially 42,000, but honestly, if it gets really nasty out there, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised to see 40, 39, 40. And then worst case scenario, I think worst case scenario, 30. I think 29, 30 is worst case scenario on Bitcoin. That's what I think. I think absolute worst case scenario, because I don't think we see an 80% pullback from the highs like we did a few years ago. I don't think we see that. Simply why? There's way more players on the field now, and now we got a lot of more funds, a lot more big timers in this. We got a lot more mainstream, a lot more banks involved in this. All right. So that's why I would say I don't think we see like those old bear markets of crypto where you see, on the big stuff, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stuff like that, where you see those 80% pullbacks where, oh my God, the world's ending. It looks like it's going to zero, that type. I don't think we see that anymore. Could be horribly wrong. And believe me, if it were to come, I'll buy more, right? Because I'm bullish crypto long term. But I think now at this point, I think maybe 50% pullbacks from the highs. So, anywhere between 30 to 35, I think I think it might be the bottom. And then we just enter that bear market and just trade sideways for a while. I think that's possible. And if that starts to happen, I'll start to accumulate in my long-term portfolio again. So that's Bitcoin, and then Ethereum. I think Ethereum has more downside. Honestly speaking, I think I would not be surprised to see Ethereum come back down here to 3,300 for a little while, and then possibly these 27s. And then if this 27 to 29 area doesn't hold support, then I really think we get back down here into the low 2000s, maybe even this previous strong support right here of 1700. And then I think it just settles there for a while in the bear market. That's just what I think. Either way, I will be buying dips for the long term in the long term portfolio on these. I also have ADA. I'm not selling anything in my long term portfolio on these cryptos. ADA. And ADA's retraced so much. What a shame. But it's looking like eventually I'm going to have to add to this down here. I'm in ADA with a cost average of $1.30 something. $1.30 something. I didn't take any profits up off here in the threes because this is a long-term investment. In other words, what I'm going over here is like my long-term holds like I do in my Roth IRA for my stocks and funds, mutual funds that I own. Those are, I buy and hold, buy and hold, buy and hold. So I just buy and hold ADA, buy and hold Bitcoin, buy and hold Ethereum. And I think right now I'm in an area where I'm going to have to potentially buy some, deploy a little bit into ADA from what I would like to deploy in the long haul. So I'm going to have to be looking into that here pretty soon. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at on crypto right now. Yeah, I have a little XRP. Yeah, so Richard, I have I have a portfolio for crypto that is long term. So kind of like what some people would call blue chip cryptos, and that's what I hold there in those. And it's not like, oh, I'm putting my future on these. No, but it's a part of my overall portfolio, my long-term portfolios of stocks and cryptos. You know, I'm definitely bullish crypto. Long term, I'm definitely bullish crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA. I think those are my top three long term. You know, I just see it like people saw, you know, people who early on were looking at the internet, and there was people like, oh, I'm staying away from that. You know, what do we need the internet for? We have radio, we have TV, we have faxes, but now it's a different world now. You know, guys. Oh, the Solana. I have none, but I will be adding Solana. I will be adding Solana, and I will be adding some more NFTs. Not that one. That's like AMC. Guys, free Discord. Come on by and hang out. I have a little bit of Stellar that I got for free from Coinbase. I have a little bit. I don't even know how much. Probably not much. But Solana I will be adding. Guys, free Discord this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Come on over. We're gonna be in the live stream section. We're gonna be giving out this week Christmas presents as raffles and as prizes for contests. We're also gonna be doing trader awards this week, so it's a very busy week as far as our gifts. It's Christmas week, so we want to give back to our members. Swing on by. Yeah, Solana. I'm gonna start picking up. Let me see where it's at real quick before we move on again to stocks and building the watch list. Let's see where Sol is at. If I can get it back down here to the 140s, I'll start wetting my beak on Sol. But I won't hold. I mean, I won't add too much, just very, very little, because the reason is right now, if you look, we're building. Hold on. I'll use this. We're building a bit. Whoops. Come on. What is happening here? Why won't this let me? Oh, there we go. We're building a bit of a head and shoulders pattern right now. Here comes the next round here. We might get the right shoulder. I want to bring this down, but it won't let me. Oh wait, no? Whatever, man. Whatever, you get the drift. Head and shoulders pattern starting to build out there. So, you know, honestly, I would love nothing more than have crypto just take a dump, massive dump, and go into a bear market already. I want more. But it's stuff that I plan to hold 10, 20 years, you know, from now, unless they go up so much that I'm forced to sell some and book some profits next round. That's possible, Silver Shrimp. I do not think it has any utility, honestly. Well, I mean, the risk could be it going back under a penny. It can happen. I see no. I could be horribly wrong. I hold no Doge. I'm 1000% transparent here. Look, check this out. I'm gonna show you my crypto portfolio right now. I showed it last week. There is 1, 2, 3. There's 2 coins here that I mined at some point. I don't know. I don't even have access to these anymore. I don't know where those wallets are. And then 1, which is Tron, that I bought and I'm down on, and I don't have access to that wallet either. But everything else I have access to. Here's my crypto portfolio. I have right there. You guys can pause it. I have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, ADA. The ones that I plan to sell Litecoin the day it gets crazy. If it ever gets crazy again, I plan to sell Litecoin. I'm not a fan anymore. Bitcoin, I don't plan on selling anytime soon. Ethereum, I don't plan on selling. ADA, I'm just starting out in that one. XRP, I don't plan to add. And I want to add Solana to this portfolio. That's a long-term portfolio, meaning it's either I'm going to keep adding to it, just like I do to any of my long-term portfolios. I'm going to keep adding to it, especially if we enter a bear market in crypto. And I'm going to expand on it now by adding Solana to it. I don't want to overgrow it with too many coins. I want to find the coins that, I believe in, I like, they have good utility. And, I'll consider blue chip type coins. I'll buy those. I'll hold them. I'll add to them. And it'll either grow to be so much money that that's it. It's time to start booking some profits. And then what am I going to do with that money? I'll probably move it over to real estate. That's usually what I do. I move money over to I move money over to real estate and stocks that I like. And then, 20 years from now, whatever's there, we'll see. Maybe it either gets passed off to my kid or I book some more profit. Either way, she's going to be doing really well. I don't think I'm going to add Stellar. I don't know enough yet. I'll look into it. But Bitcoin, Litecoin, ADA, and Solana, definitely my favorites. I do not own any Solana yet. Stellar, I have a little bit that I got for free, like I said, on Coinbase, and that's it. What time is it, guys? Okay, 8:46. Oof, time is taken away. Let's get. Yeah, I like crypto. We can talk about crypto for a while. If you guys want me to do like a live stream just talking about crypto, let me know, and maybe we'll do one. Maybe we'll do them this week or next week. We'll do a little Discord live stream. Sorry, a little YouTube live stream. Damn it, a YouTube crypto live stream. Multitasking too much. All right, so let's get back to this here, see if we can keep building this watch list out. In the Discord, somebody wrote, one of the members, weeks like this, I don't even look at my long-term accounts, otherwise it'll hurt. I can go weeks or even months without looking at them. All right, so we got SOPA, SOPA, Aravian. We have SPY. Let's go ahead and do the analysis on the SPY. On the SPY, going to be watching 458 is just so far away now. $458 so far away now. 453. What we got here? 455. Watching the mid 455s then. So 455.30. SPY watching the 455.30 area to hold possible resistance for a move back down to the 450 zone. There we go. That's what I'm going to be watching. Yeah, I haven't. The only thing I sold was a little bit of Tesla. That's it. I'm 23 years old, 24 years old from retirement, so I don't care. The last thing I want to do is sell out everything, and then I'm not wrong. I mean, I'm not right, and the market continues higher and then doesn't dump until next summer. So I'm not going to play that game with my long-term investments. I just leave them in there. They're good companies. If they go cheaper, I want more. I'm not in highs. So I sold some Tesla, booked some profit in my retirement account on that. And then next month, New Year starts, I'll deposit the max I can deposit in there. Plus the profits are already booked. They're tax-free. It's a Roth IRA. I did a backdoor conversion. And now I just hold on to that. And then next year, Monday, January, February, March, etc. Every month, my steady, regular investments will be put in place as always. And then I'll hold on to a good chunk of cash, or in case next year, when I believe the Fed's going to have to raise rates more than expected because inflation will be out of control, then we'll have a nasty pullback in the market. I'll deploy the rest of that capital plus some extra capital I have for taxable accounts. That's my 2022 plan. I'll probably do a whole video around it. Another thing Yeah, another thing, what could possibly save everything would be that those bottlenecks in the supply chain start to rectify and clear out and clean up, and things start to get back on the shelves. That'll help kind of control the pricing and the inflation on stuff. And maybe then the Fed doesn't have to get too aggressive, and then the market won't pull back as hard. So I was like, I'm not going to get out of the market completely because you never know. Now, if I were closer to retirement, that'd be a different story. I would have booked way more profit, you know? All right, so we have the SPY, we have SOPA, we have RIVN. Guys, there's really nothing else. It's really, I think it's going to be, apart from a slower week for the most part, I think you're going to start to see, a lack of volume, especially as we start getting closer to Friday. I'm sorry, Thursday. Thursday's the last trading day of the week. This has no volume, so I'm not going to put FSM on watch. Let's check in on Roblox real quick. So Roblox, I'm not a fan of this Roblox right here, unless, I mean, we're looking for support. Don't like Roblox here. I don't like Tesla where it's at either. Let me see. Yeah, the only way is Tesla. You know what? I'll put Tesla on the watch list. Tesla watching for 910 area to become resistance today. Well, not today. Resistance. Period. Resistance could have downside. Could have room down to the 100-day moving average, which, if I'm not mistaken, lies at what, 900? Nope. About 880s. Downside to the 880s 100-day MA area. Nice. Congrats, man. Congrats, Silver Shrimp. Yeah, when they announced earnings, they had good earnings, but they had to decrease like their forward guidance. Okay, so we have SPY, SOPA, Rivian, Tesla on watch today. So far, most of this I'm looking for downside. I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, the gap downs are so large on most of this that I wouldn't be surprised to possibly see some bounces, and then if the sell-offs are going to come, I wouldn't be surprised to see them come late morning, you know, because these gap downs are so big. They're so big, and they're right in front of support zones that I wouldn't be surprised to see these things get a bounce off the bell, trickle higher, and then give a pullback later. You know, on Friday, my trade was on the SPY. Here's my Friday trade. My Friday trade was puts, and I was super patient because normally I would have attacked puts in either of these two candles. But on Friday, I said, and I'm going to do it again today, I said I was going to be super patient. Today, I'm going to be super patient as well. Friday, I entered my puts right here on the SPY for a day trade. And I took profits as we went lower. And then I stopped out of the last piece, which is a small piece, right on this candle right here. That was my trade on Friday. So today, I'm gonna look for some sort of similar action, but I think, you know, we might get a little push off the bell because we've gapped down so low. But that's it, guys. Remember, I stream on here live Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, that's what I do. And then I do obviously post some other videos pretty much daily on YouTube on the channel right now. So we got about 5 minutes to the bell, not to the bell, 5 minutes to 9 here. All right, and then I hop on over to the Discord. So if you guys have any last minute tickers or any last minute questions, now's a great time to throw those up in chat. Otherwise, if you're new and you're not in the Discord, why are you not in the Discord? You can join for free. It's a no-brainer. So swing on by. All right. All right, guys. Let me see what we got here. So I'm gonna put the final touches on this watch list. I'm gonna send it over to Jonal. He's gonna go ahead and send it out in an email and post it up at the daytraderchatroom.com dashboard as well. So I think we're ready to rock and roll. I think we're ready to hit the day. So that'll be it. That'll be it for today. So let me see here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that looks like it's about it, guys. Looks like it's about it. So yeah, we got that done. We got the watch list. You kind of already know what my plans are. You already have the free Discord link. You know we're doing prizes all week long in the Discord for Christmas, the tablets, the NFTs, the scanners, and more. We're gonna do more stuff. So today's day number 1 of that. And I think that's it. Tomorrow I'll be back here on the live stream, pre-market, 8 a.m. We'll start doing our pre-market watch list again. And then we will hop back over to the Discord. But it's been one crazy year. We only got a few days left in the year, guys. Today's the 20th. Today's the 20th. We literally got 11 days left in the year. Can you believe it? Time is flying, man. Time is flying, flying, flying. They're talking about a swing trade mod posted in the Discord. And that's why I looked over because I heard the little from the Discord. But that's it. Well, guys, I'll be back again tomorrow. All right, I'll be back again tomorrow. Thank you guys very much for tuning in on the stream as usual, hitting the like button. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I'll probably post a recap video later today. I'll be back again tomorrow at 8 a.m. All right, and we'll do the stream all over again, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And like I said, we're going to be doing giveaways Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week in the Discord. So come on over, hop on by, say hi, and let's see if we can get you in on those giveaways. All right, guys. So for now, I'll see you over in the Discord. And if not, I'll see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. All right, guys. Enjoy your day. Good luck. Let's kill it.